Hello, everybody. Thanks again for sharing your time with us. Hope you are well and safe. Well, I'm going to describe you on this presentation our software capabilities through examples of implementation in different fields and industry. But first, let me tell you a little bit about our company. AxxonSoft is a world-leading developer for intelligent security and video surveillance systems. We operate globally with 50 offices worldwide and more than 550 global employees. We have over 480,000 projects in many different industries and 30 patents. And here on this timeline, you can see the company's evolution over the last 25 years. In 2003, we have accomplished our first safe city project using Intellect PSIM. And in 2008, we started to develop AxonNext VMS. And over the years, we continue to develop technologies for AI, video analytics, forensic search. And this year, we bring to the market our cloud solution, which can operate in a hybrid mode or fully on the cloud. So as you can see, we have a lot of features that can meet any sort of requirements, no matter the industry or the project size. And today I'm going to cover a few with you. So let's start with retail. Both AxonNext and Intellect has analytics especially designed for this industry, such as people counter, heat map, queue detection, face recognition with age and gender statistics and reports. And Plantorama uses our solution to generate and deliver this data. They are Denmark's largest garden and animal center chain, and this project covers 2 stores with 80 cameras each. And the main requirements for the project were easy handling of video walls, flexible layouts, extract data on how many visitors has entered the store, check how long the queues are, see how many people have been in their cafe, and compare this information with their cash registers. And for that, Axon Next met all the requirements perfectly. We have several projects here in Brazil with similar requirements. And right now we're implementing a project for one of the biggest retail chains in the world with around 120 stores all over the country and more than 3,300 cameras. So we are very excited about this and we'll release more information about this case very soon. And here we have Maxima, which is the largest Lithuanian grocery retailer with over 1,000 stores in the Baltics, Poland, and Bulgaria. And they have a total of 256 stores with around 21,000 cameras, cashier operation supervision system with almost 3,000 registered cash registers integrated, and queue management and visitor counter with reports. And we also have analytic solutions for the bank industry. And using pose detection, for example, we can track and analyze a person's behavior, such as a person with their hands raised up, sitting or laying on the floor, active shooter, and so on. So this can get the operator's attention to analyze suspicious conditions. And Raiffeisen is one of the biggest banks in Ukraine. Their security system features has over 70,000 cameras and over 2,100 servers to cover 600 branches across the country. And currently, the bank is testing our retail analytics like visitor counting, queue detection, visitor activity, heat mapping, and other solutions such as face recognition in various scenarios. And for industrial productions, there are many analytics that can be used, not only to bring the operator's attention for dangerous situations, but also using AI analytics to monitor factory processes. And ArcelorMittal is the leader in major global steel markets, having representations in over 60 countries around the globe. And along with video surveillance and video analytics for over 600 cameras, the solution comprises vehicle access control via license plate recognition, rolling stock control through rail wagon number recognition, and integration with the perimeter security system. And for education, we present you the Blue Coat School, which is considered one of the strongest academically in the UK. They are using our artificial intelligence analytics, which allows for tracking of human targets, tracking of vehicle targets, even by color, motion detection with direction filter, loitering detection, left and removed objects detection, and face search by uploading a photo to the system and performing search on recorded images, and LPR search to find videos based on license plates number. And for hospitality, we highlight the Atlantis de Palm, which is a luxury hotel resort in Dubai. They replace outdated NVRs that have been installed during this hotel's inauguration in 2008 by our solution, Axon Intellect software. And the hotel is covered by 2,050 cameras, and the system has been designed for high availability, having 14 servers and 2 failover servers to maintain a non-stop operation on their central. And the main idea behind the project of South African game reserves is to detect and prevent poaching with effects to the wildlife and particularly rhinos and elephants. So AxxonSoft has trained a neural network to accurately detect humans with no alerts of animals. And on this video, you can see that the animals weren't detected. The system only triggers an event once a person gets close to the fence. And besides that, the system also registers faces and vehicle number plates for investigation. And one of our most relevant projects for transportations is Zondenburg city in Denmark. They needed a solution that could help them see what's happening on the bridges, besides counting traffic, of course, and work with smoke and fire detection. It was also important to trigger an alarm if a person walked on the arches of one of the bridges. And Axon Next was installed and configured to work with AI vehicle detection, human behavior analytics, and AxonNet for cloud reports. And they also do a count of cars to check how many people drive from and to the island, and have developed an API that can send this information to the road administration. And Mexico City International Airport is one of the largest and busiest airports in Latin America. And for this case, we have implemented 2 command centers, one in each airport terminal. And they monitor over 2,000 cameras, including about 800 cameras with real-time video analytics. Each terminal also has its own crisis center designed to perform forensic search and other investigations in case of emergency. And our VMS provides video analysis, including neural network human detection and intelligent search tools, including face and license plate search. Also, all of this helps to prevent and detect security breaches and to quickly pass the information to the police or the authorities and any other entities if necessary. And the 21st FIFA World Cup took place in Russia in 2018. AxxonSoft made a significant technical contribution to providing security to World Cup to participants and fans. And the Intellect PSIM platform was employed in 10 out of the 12 stadiums and managed more than 9,000 surveillance cameras used to protect the over 2 million fans who attended these games. And in addition to the video surveillance, Auto Intellect and Face Intellect software models were deployed to conduct automatic number plate recognition and face recognition at stadium gates. Our first Safe City project was implemented in 2003, and over the years we have built a solid experience on the needs and demands of this kind of market and for all of our offices, really. And here in Brazil, we have many projects in the Midwest and in the south of Brazil, as the cities of Santa Helena, Sapucaia do Sul, just to name a few. And to represent this history, we bring you the project implemented for the city of Yongsan in South Korea. And the city administrators decide to revamp the security system, asking for a number of criteria that the new system must meet, such as integration with urban emergency services and other systems, long-term storage for video footage, user-friendly interface, and the number of servers reduced. And 3,190 video cameras were installed in some 900 locations around the city. And AxxonNext provides unique analytic tools for the largest amounts of data that are generated every day. So they have forensic search to quickly find events based on certain criteria, face search, ANPR search, and many other features. And here we have the city of Turin. It's an important business and cultural center in northern Italy. And to meet the customer needs, our partner proposed a project based on Intellect PSIM, which provides the following functions. Video surveillance with visible light and thermal cameras too. Video analytics like object tracking, motion heat mapping, face intellect for facial recognition, and also auto intellect for traffic safety. And with one command center, they have deployed across Turin 1,000 cameras and 50 remote workstations. And for nighttime monitoring, an automatic alarm notification system was introduced, including thermal imaging cameras, and the police officers receive a notification via email in a dedicated mobile app. So the integrated security solution also includes face recognition, LPR, and automated traffic enforcement systems. Okay, so thanks everyone for attending our session. Feel free to reach out to us. And in case you have some questions, please send us a chat or book a personal meeting with us. Thanks again.